Welcome back to the Ride Lens. For the 2026 model year, the Volvo XC90 continues to stand out as a composed and refined option in the midsize luxury SUV class. Instead of relying on bold styling or aggressive performance figures, Volvo keeps the XC90 centered on comfort, balance, and real-world usability. This SUV is clearly built for drivers who value a relaxed and confident driving experience. Whether navigating crowded urban roads or settling into long highway stretches, the XC90 delivers a sense of ease and reassurance behind the wheel. The exterior design reflects Volvo's Scandinavian philosophy, emphasizing clean shapes, understated accents, and well-proportioned lines. Nothing feels overdone or attention-seeking. Changes for 2026 are subtle but effective, giving the XC90 a fresh appearance while maintaining the familiar character that existing owners recognize and appreciate. Pricing for the 2026 Volvo XC90 begins at $62,345 in the United States and can climb to $74,645 depending on trim level and optional equipment. This pricing firmly places it within the premium SUV segment while still allowing some flexibility for buyers with different priorities. Volvo offers multiple trims, enabling customers to focus on luxury, performance, or overall value. The Plus trim is expected to be a popular choice, as it strikes a strong balance between upscale features and cost. Choosing a second-row bench seat instead of captain's chairs can also help keep the price in check, while maintaining family-friendly seating capacity.
Powering the XC90 are two turbocharged engine options, both paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The B5 model produces 247 horsepower, while the B6 adds a supercharger to boost output to 295 horsepower. All versions come standard with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. On the road, the XC90 delivers a smooth and predictable driving feel. Steering is light and natural, making it easy to handle in city traffic while remaining stable and confident at highway speeds. The overall character leans toward comfort and calm rather than sportiness. Ride quality is one of the XC90's strongest qualities. When equipped with the available air suspension, the vehicle absorbs most road imperfections effortlessly. Rough pavement and small bumps are filtered out well, helping passengers stay comfortable on longer trips. While sharper impacts can occasionally produce some noise, it remains a minor drawback in an otherwise refined ride. Volvo's focus on long-distance comfort is clearly evident in how the XC90 behaves. Acceleration performance supports its role as a capable, everyday SUV. The B6 model reaches 60 miles per hour in around 6.8 seconds, while the B5 completes the same sprint in roughly 7.3 seconds. These figures may not lead the segment, but they provide more than enough power for merging, overtaking, and confident highway driving. Towing capability is also respectable, with the B6 rated at up to 5,000 pounds and the B5 capable of towing up to 4,000 pounds, making the XC90 suitable for small trailers or recreational gear. Official fuel economy ratings for the 2026 model have not yet been released, but previous versions offer a helpful benchmark. Earlier models delivered estimates of up to 23 miles per gallon in the city, 30 miles per gallon on the highway, and 26 miles per gallon combined. Real-world highway testing showed that the B6 powertrain could closely match its combined rating during steady cruising, reinforcing the XC90's reputation for sensible efficiency in the luxury SUV category.
Inside, the cabin feels serene, spacious, and thoughtfully arranged. Premium materials and soft-touch surfaces create a comfortable atmosphere without feeling excessive or overly flashy. The XC90 can be configured to seat 5, 6, or 7 passengers, though the third row is best suited for children or shorter journeys. Cargo space is competitive for the segment, while smaller storage areas are functional but not standout. Technology is well integrated, featuring an 11.2-inch central touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and an available head-up display. The Google-based infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, built-in navigation, and voice controls. A standard 10-speaker audio system delivers clear sound, with higher-end audio options available for those seeking a more immersive experience.